Goodbye gray hair. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Are you suffering from premature graying of hair? There could be 100 reasons for premature graying, but we have a solution to your problem. Today, I'm going to show you a magical remedy that will solve your problem of gray hair. This miracle remedy is 100% natural and effective and will amaze you from the first use. So let's not waste more time and start our remedy. Take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a small pan. Add 2 tablespoons of sage oil to it. Mix it and heat it on a low flame to make a homogeneous mixture. Remove from flame and leave it to cool. Apply this mixture to your hair at night before going to bed. Apply this oil mixture to your scalp and hair with your fingers and massage your scalp for 2 minutes. Sage is rich in antioxidants, which helps to prevent and reduce the formation of new gray hair and is a great natural remedy to darken your hair. It contains natural pigments that stain the gray hair naturally. Sage is amazing for the overall condition of hair. It moisturizes, removes product buildup, and makes hair soft, silky, and shiny. Coconut oil has some great restorative properties that prevent hair going gray and also turn gray hair into a blackish tone. It prevents dandruff that makes hair healthier, and healthy hair always delays turning white or gray. Both these oils, when combined together, form a great miracle remedy for gray hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it to work its magic overnight. Then wash it off with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water in the morning. You will see amazing results from the first use. Use once a week for even more amazing results. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!